So we've all seen AI tools like Google's Stitch that promises stunning UI and UX designs in minutes without human effort. But here's the $1,000,000 question. Can this AI actually replace a real skilled designer, or is the human touch still unmatched? Today, I'm gonna be putting Google's Stitch to the ultimate test. I'll give the same exact design brief to the Stitch and a professional UI UX designer. Yes, a real human on Fiverr.com. I will pay them with real money and I will ask them to create my own portfolio website, and let's see how they will perform. And yeah, just stick around and find out if Google's Stitch can stitch up victory, uh, or if humans are still supreme and they always win. Let's dive in. I'm not gonna waste any time at all, and I'm gonna tell you what I actually did. So if you guys don't know what is Stitch, right? So Stitch is a platform where you can actually prompt and create very complex and beautiful looking UI UX, and you can actually directly put this on Figma, on your own Figma, and generate the information. All right, so that's about Stitch, and of course everyone knows about Fiverr. So I paid around, this is long back ago, I paid around 19,000 rupees, which is around $227, if you guys can see this, to a real designer, and I asked them to create my own portfolio website. All right, I gave them my information that I'm a YouTuber, I am a Udemy instructor, I work for so and so person. I essentially gave my own resume to it. So we'll be doing both. So I will shoot the design of the person who actually generated my created my UI UX design, and I am gonna ask Stitch to do the same thing, and you guys can comment down below which one is better, and I will share my thoughts as well. All right, so let's go to Stitch. Okay, over here we'll describe a design. All right, so create a portfolio website for uh for this person, for the person. So one pro tip that I want to give everyone who is actually uh you know writing prompts to Lovable or anything, right? So always make sure to use a random LLM model to create a prompt. All right, so you can do this by going to this website called chatgpt.com, or any other website, or Gemini, or whatever cloud, or whatever you use, doesn't matter. So here you can write, I'm creating a portfolio website design using Google's, just tell the exact problem. All right, so I want you to help me write a prompt for it for the best output. Okay, so I am gonna tell about me. Name Muhammad Khan. uh, all right, so I'm just gonna go to my LinkedIn website, LinkedIn this thing account. And let's just take help of ChatGPT to quickly do this so that I don't waste a lot of time. So I am gonna take the screenshot. Okay, all right. uh yep, attached is the LinkedIn photo. I am a YouTuber with around 18,000 subscribers teaching about tech, and I would want it to create a portfolio website for me. Yeah, I would want also github.com. I don't know if GitHub is required, but let's see. This is my GitHub account. Okay, I'm gonna, yep. Please help me write the prompt so that I can get the exact output. All right, so I'm gonna do this and let it roll out the prompt for me, because and I'm using ChatGPT 4.5, because I you can use 4.0 as well, but from personally from my own experience, right, 4.5 is quite good and whenever you want to take help of creating a prompt or something. um, so create a modern responsive portfolio website with tech YouTuber hero section. So yeah, let's just do this. Okay, here I'm gonna change the prompt a little bit. Okay, so if you see, what I'm gonna do is that um, I'm gonna let it design. If you see over here, ChatGPT is asking it to make something quite customized. Okay, so hero section with name, photo, subtitle, and YouTuber CTA button. Watch my channel. Um, yeah, I mean, of course, I would want a hero section. So I'm gonna remove this. Clean layout, soft accent colors, include product sections, interactive cards linking to the GitHub repo. Yep, and GitHub link. I don't think there should be, and list about me, expertise. Okay, then I'm gonna leave the minimalistic part, and about me, let me get this from here. Okay, let's do this. So yep, so let's do this. Okay, all right. Create a modern responsive website. I'm gonna create a portfolio website for Mohammed Khan, full stack developer, AWS software engineer, SD and tech YouTuber with 18K subscribers, hero section. Um, yeah, yep. Make sure to add a hero section with name, about the person, about Mohammed Khan, experience, and I'm gonna choose this thing. All right, and let it roll. So it's gonna take a while for sure, from what I've seen, but I'm gonna dive to the it's quick, but I'm gonna dive to the design that was created by the designer. All right, so I'm gonna do this. All right, so yeah, so this is what they did. Hi, I am creative developer Mohammed Khan. Um, this is what they did. We did over 400 projects for various industries. This is like template stuff. Okay. Okay, so one thing that I wanna stress about, comparing a designer and comparing a designer and Google Stitch software, is that they will not help you with copywriting, but Google Stitch will. Google Stitch will help you with copywriting because it's an LLM itself. So since you've given all the information to it, it will do the job as well. So testimonials, our work, trading bot. Okay, so they took my YouTube channel information, created many Discord bots, ready to collaborate, connect with us. Okay, I would. It's a very okay-ish website. I mean, for $227, it's a bit stretch. All right. One thing to note is that when I asked some changes to the designer, they were like, "Hey, you need to pay something for." Of course, they were like, you need to pay $200 more to make the website a dark mode website. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, this is cool. I don't know if you guys can, let me zoom in the screen a little bit. Let's see. It also gives you the option to convert it into code. And about me, it says MK over here. And I'm a seasoned e-commerce, social media, task management projects, tech tutorials with Mohammed Khan. Very decent. I would say it's very decent. It looks like modern, realistic. So I'm gonna ask, can you probably make it like a 3D? Because this is where I've personally saw that all LLM models fail at this part. Make use of 3D things and make it like um very beautiful, like very beautiful, making use of 3JS or something like that. Three dimension, yeah. This is the part where I would like, because now if I don't like it, I can just say that, oh bro, I just don't like this. You can just generate it again. Because I, as a person who's not aware of designs, I don't know what I actually need. So when I was creating an order on Fiverr, right? So I did not knew that I have to basically uh, tell you the exact design, the exact fonts that you must use. I don't know all of that. I mean, I know, of course, told her that, but oh wow, it actually became enhanced by using 3D elements. Let's just 3D. Okay. I mean, can you probably make use of 3D? I mean, nothing 3D was used here. Yeah, let's actually create a new Stitch project. Okay. Okay, change. Okay, let me go back here and yep. About Mohammed Khan. Okay. Make the design similar to the Apple website that uses 3D components and make it look amazing and yeah, amazing and professional. Maybe I'm not gonna write amazing. Let's just ask it to do this. Maybe I'm not a good prompt engineer, but yeah. But I am pretty much happy with this design as well. If you ask me, for by paying almost nothing, I would like this design instead of this one by paying $227. I mean, this is okay. I don't know. You guys can comment down and below in the comments and just let me know. But let's wait for it. Wait for it. Mohammed Khan. Yeah, very basic website. Can you change the design completely and make it developer friendly? Like using monospace and and type.js website type I mean monospace and animations. Let's see. I mean, I would say it's good, but I was actually expecting something really good, because I'm going to show you an example of a real thing that I personally asked it to create, and it actually did a very good job. I don't know why. It's maybe it's a prompt thing, or I don't know. I'm not sure, but it's actually it's fairly good compared to a real person. I would not want to pay $200, $227 for this one. So I mean, it's fine, but yep, that's a problem. Let's see. So let me go back, and until then, I'm going to show you the design that I personally created. So I asked it to for one of my client, or one of my person that actually was looking to create a portfolio website, not portfolio website, a website called it was an Islamic application. So they told me to essentially create a mobile design for it, and look at the designs. And guess what? When they saw this, they were like, "Wow, this is amazing." And I mean, it's I mean, considering the fact that all the designs are using same design elements, including the icons, the way that the buttons are, and the basically the whole design language is very good. So, which is why it's quite good if you ask me. And I asked it to create in a different mode, and I asked it to create like my stats. So it's very good if you ask me. I mean, I if I want to think like that, this it will take a lot of time for me to understand the requirement and like play with it, send it to the client and send it. It's gonna be very hard. So this was the dark mode that I did not like it, but this was the light mode. But I would say this was actually very good. I was amazed by the you know these the design. But yeah, like always, uh you guys can comment, honestly speaking. You guys can, comment on this and let me know how the design is. But yeah, but if you see over here, it looks nice. If you personally ask me, if I change the background image, probably ask RGB to create it for me, it looks amazing. I mean, at least I would pay $50 for it, and not maybe not $200, but yeah, $50 for it. Um, change the design. I did not like it. I am just testing the product because I don't know if the edit button works or not. Could you please describe what you didn't like in the design? It is too basic. Should be heavy, and like how programmers like it. Should look amazing. I mean, it was a very vague prompt. It's a very vague prompt, but let's see how it performs. Hmm, I would say it's okay. Not that bad. Contact. So yeah, I mean it's fine. So you guys can comment which one was better, and let me know what you guys think about it. Comment down your thoughts below. But for me personally, I did not like the designers one. I mean they did a good job, but a lot of back and forth and all of that. I mean, if I actually had spent that much amount of time with them to create this prompt and all of that, I'm sure I would get a very good result compared to me paying $227 to a person. So for me, I am never gonna hire a designer again in my life. I mean, assuming if I'm doing my own thing like a portfolio website or something. But if there's something professional, I still think designers are still gonna be here forever. But yeah, comment down your thoughts below and let me know what you guys think about it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.